Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to set your stitches on a Sears Kenmore 158 132. This dial down here controls your stitch length, and the more you turn up, the longer your stitch goes. This one here controls your width. In order to do a straight stitch, your red dot has got to be right below that. Now for these up here, that's going to be your zigzag. This is going to be I call them mountain peaks. I don't know exactly what the name of that is called. But you just flip it like that to your different settings. This is going to be more of a zigzag for, if you want the wider zigzag for like finishing off clothes instead of using your serger, which I don't have one. And this one I'm not real sure on, so I'm going to show you how to sew with it so you have an idea. Okay, when you're on this setting here, when you sew, you're going to get this. My green is my bobbin thread and my red is my top thread. So I hope that helps answer some questions for you about what that setting is. I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to do or how it's supposed to do it. And I do not have a manual for this book, so I'm trial and error everything. But anyway, stay tuned for more videos coming your way over here and over there. Later, guys.